You're all wiggly now. You go over here. There you go. Hey, Fenris, what are you looking at? Yeah? Well, come here. Boy, you're really excited over there. There you go. Fenris. Oh, bless you. Got your nose. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, all done. It's gonna, oh, that was quite a tongue there, Winter. Oh, smack. Oh, wow. Yes, you're cute. Yes, you're cute. Oh, you get smacked in the face. Poor thing. That's enough of that.